virtual open house. Hope everyone's healthy and safe out there. We miss seeing you, but we're making the best of what we can here virtually in Bricklaying. I'm Mr. Brumbach, I'm the instructor. This is my 5th year here at RMCTC as a teacher. I also served as an assistant teacher at a different VOTEC school for 3 years. So this is the theory room. This is where we'll learn the theory about bricklaying. We operate out of 3 books. This is a 3-year program, so every level has their own book to go off of, each year becoming more advanced. We also do have a common book that we all use from time to time here in bricklaying. I'm going to show you the shop, some hand tools we use, and some of the equipment. And I look forward to seeing everyone at our open house. So if you want to follow me out here, and I can point out some things as we go. Great thing about CTC here is we do have our own restroom here for students to use, to change in, as well as a locker room here. And then following out into the area you're all excited to see, this is our shop area. The CTC here provides all the hand tools you need, levels, and other equipment and materials for you to be successful in bricklaying and learn your basic skills. We also do some work around the school for real projects from time to time, anywhere from repair work to doing garages and sheds from time to time. So this is a great trade if you like to stay busy and work with your hands. I'll take you over here, show you some projects real quick. So this is one of my students' chimney projects. We'll learn chimneys and fireplaces. And out here I just have a couple of the tools we'll use from time to time that the school provides you. Like I said, you'll all get 2 sets of levels. You'll of course get our main tool, the trowel, as well as a hammer and chisel. Some joiners to finish your joints with. And a ruler. So that's pretty much all a bricklayer needs, and the great thing about this is it's no cost to the student. Everything is borrowed here. So I'll show you some of the other equipment and then we can wrap up. So here, this is exciting. This is a brand new tool for this year. Not much use, of course, because no students had a chance to use it yet, but we have a new table saw to cut our brick and block with, as well as a new portable hand saw. So this is some of the power tools you'll get to learn here in bricklaying. Very, very handy. At every stage of a bricklayer's career, you're going to have to learn how to use your basic equipment and power tools. So it's not like once you become a foreman, you don't have to use a saw anymore. You'll always have to be able to have that knowledge. So if you're interested in working with your hands, doing structures out of brick and block, we also do tile work, as well as learning some of this cool equipment. Come check Bricklaying out at CTC, and I hope to see you at the virtual open house.